If I told you that one document could decide whether investors say yes or no to your dream business, would you take it seriously? Well, that document is your business plan. And in 2025, the way you write it has completely changed. Stay tuned, because in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how to create a business plan that not only gets noticed, but wins over investors, lenders, and even your future customers. Welcome back to the channel, where we break down business and finance tips to help you succeed. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because every week we bring you powerful strategies to grow your money and your business. Section 1. Why a business plan matters in 2025. Let's clear this up. A business plan is not just a boring document for banks. In 2025, it's your blueprint for success, a mix of vision, numbers, and strategy that works like GPS for your business. Without it, you're guessing. With it, you're planning to win. Here's why it matters more than ever. Investor expectations have changed. They want concise, data-backed, and future-focused plans. AI tools have raised the bar, meaning anyone can make something decent, but you need something exceptional. Economic uncertainty makes it even more important to have a clear direction. Section 2. Step 1. Start with a clear executive summary. Think of your executive summary as your elevator pitch, but in writing, in 2025, keep it short and impactful. Who you are, what your business does, why it will succeed, what you're asking for, if it's for funding. Tip: write this section last. Once the rest of your plan is complete, summarizing it will be much easier. Section 3. Step 2. Define your business and vision. This is where you paint the big picture. Mission statement: what problem are you solving? Vision statement: where do you want to be in 5 years? Core values: what principles guide your decisions? Example: we provide sustainable packaging solutions that reduce plastic waste by 80% and aim to be the leading eco-brand in the US by 2030. Section 4. Step 3. Market analysis. Investors want proof you understand your market. Here's what to include. Industry trends. Is the market growing? Target audience. Be specific. Use demographics and psychographics. Competitor analysis. Identify competitors' strengths and weaknesses. Pro tip: use AI-powered tools like ChatGPT or Google Bard to speed up your research, but always fact-check with reliable sources. Section 5. Step 4. Your business model in 2025. Investors want to know exactly how you make money. Include your revenue streams, product, sales, subscriptions, licensing, etc. Pricing strategy, distribution channels online, retail, B2B, etc. Make it easy for them to visualize how your business will generate consistent cash flow. Section 6. Step 5. Marketing and sales strategy. This is where most business plans fail. They skip how to actually get customers. Your plan should cover brand positioning. How will people see your brand? Marketing channels, social media, email, SEO, influencer partnerships, etc. Customer acquisition plan, how you'll convert strangers into paying customers. Remember, in 2025, content is currency. Show how you'll use short-form videos, personalized ads, and AI-driven analytics to win attention. Section 7. Step 6. Operations plan. This section explains how your business runs day-to-day. Include key team members and their roles, suppliers and partners, location and facilities, technology, and tools you'll use even if you're a solo entrepreneur. Explain your process and workflow. Section 8. Step 7. Financial plan. Numbers talk. Include projected revenue and expenses 3 to 5 years, break-even analysis, funding needs, if any, ROI expectations. Pro tip: visuals matter. Use graphs, charts, and infographics. In 2025, investors expect clean, well-designed financial data. Section 9. Step 8. Risk analysis and future outlook. Show that you've thought about the challenges ahead. Potential risks, market shifts, competition, supply chain. Your contingency plans. Investors love entrepreneurs who plan for both the best and worst scenarios. Section 10. Common mistakes to avoid being too vague, ignoring competition, overestimating revenue, writing a 50-page plan no one will read. Keep it short, sharp, and strategic. Conclusion. So, here's the truth. A business plan in 2025 isn't just a formality. It's your ticket to serious opportunities. Whether you're pitching to investors, applying for a loan, or just building a roadmap for yourself, take the time to do it right. Question for you. What's the hardest part of writing a business plan for you? The numbers or the strategy? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next video on how to secure funding in 2025.